Okay, so now we know that these surfaces are tangent. There is no discontinuity in tangency. We can do one more thing. Just for kicks, Orion, can you go to the very, 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 very first surface we ever created in this model? Sure. No, you don't have to hide it. Just minimize it. Okay. Can you expand the first one? Okay, I want to get in this one. I want this one to be 2 inches now and symmetrical. Can you help me with that, making that symmetrical? Oh, look at that. That's really easy, isn't it? Can you say okay and show me that again on the second surface we created? That would be the right surface. Yeah. So it's okay? Wow, now we got to create a whole lot of laws to make this blend to fixed, don't we? So we have to create a whole new law, right? No. No, Orion's not falling for that trick. What are you going to do, Orion? Can you go ahead and minimize the top one? Let's think about this. Close this off. So you pick law off the tree. That's an advanced law. And you can inverse y. So you just sort of like, we know it's probably got to be inversed again. Is what you're thinking? Sometimes it just does that. You try and get the flow direction, everything going the way, and then it still does stuff like that. I don't sweat it. I just hit inverse if it goes the wrong way. So the trick to this one is to select law for length number 2. Correct? Why is length number 1 and length number 2 grayed out? And they have different values. How is that possible? Can you go ahead and close that out? Exactly, because there's a formula replacing the value that you could type in. It won't let you type in a value because it's now all related back to the law. Okay? Ryan, great job. Thanks for your help on that. Select OK. And that, my friends, is a whole lot of laws here that we've gone over. And we'll have a recording to go over all of these here. I'm going to be ripping these out and also recording it during the class. Go ahead and hit your ISO view. And perhaps we can make the middle surface a different color to highlight the surfaces we're working on. Okay. Do you guys think that will help you get through this exercise here? Oh God. Okay, excellent. So, Orion, since you have the screen, can you go ahead and pull up your canvas? And go to modules. And then hit collapse all on the top right. And let's go down to laws. Open that up. So the first one, this is not an exercise, it's just where I have all my documents. Okay, so pull up document number 2. You can take this existing document and insert pictures of your parts in place of this. Okay, so there's your laws you're going to create. And this is the first one, stop right there. So these are the advanced laws. One is linear. Okay, you're going to make it whatever. You don't have to make it the exact same as Orion. I'd prefer you not. Actually, it gets boring checking them when they're all identical. So whatever length lines you want to use. Okay, you don't even have to do it 1 and 2. If you want to live dangerous and go 1.5 and 2.5 and just go for something wild numbers, go for it. Okay, I just want to see if you can create the laws. So you're going to insert a picture of your laws. If you just want to add 2 pictures instead of doing it like I did, do you guys remember how I was able to take two documents and make 1 page on that? Remember that model manipulation from 185? Where you got multiple pictures in one? That's what I would recommend. Okay, and then scroll down. Alright, and then there's you're going to have to create some curves and basically do the same thing. Okay, but it's still all in the XY plane. Oh, I guess I got it on the YZ plane. It really doesn't matter what plane you put it on, just put it on some kind of plane. And then this one is where you get to pick the type linear and S type. Okay? And then the last 2, well, I guess it's the last one, I should say. On the last one is, well, it is the last 2. One is with the straight ones and one's with curve, where you got them to go in both directions, which is what Orion just demoed for us. Are there any questions for this? On that note, let's take a 10-minute break. I've paused the video. Oh boy, I hope that works. What's that? Mr. Barry, can I ask you to start a new law? Sorry, not a new law. A new meeting? Can you start a new meeting called I Beat the Law? I fought the law and won, okay? Because we're going to win this battle. And what I can do is we can close this meeting off so that it will start processing the recording faster. So and we'll come back in 10 minutes from now, okay? So about 2:50. See ya.